Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Everyday English. I'm your host, Luna.
And I'm your co-host, Jack. We're here to help you learn practical English for everyday situations.
Today, we're going to learn essential phrases for taxis and ride-hailing services. I remember my first time visiting Chicago. I was standing on a corner, so nervous about how to even get a taxi's attention. I didn't know what to say.
Oh, I had a similar experience with a ride-hailing app in Los Angeles. The driver called me, and I couldn't understand his directions over the phone with all the city noise. It was so stressful.
That's why we're here today. We'll teach you all the key phrases that will make you feel confident when using taxis or apps like Uber and Lyft. We'll make it simple, practical, and fun.
Absolutely. And if you find this episode helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English learning content. Scene 1. Hailing a taxi on the street. In our first scene, Jack will be a passenger hailing a cab on the street, and I'll be the taxi driver. Let's listen. Sound of city traffic, a taxi pulling over.
Good morning. Where are you headed today?
Good morning. I need to go to the City Art Museum, please.
The one downtown on Grand Avenue?
Oh, yes, that's the one. Thank you.
No problem. Hop in.
Thanks. About how long will it take to get there?
With fist traffic, probably 20 minutes or so.
That's fine. Is this your first time in our city?
Yes, it is. It's a really impressive city.
It sure is. Do you want me to take the scenic route along the river or the most direct route?
The most direct route is fine, please. I have a reservation.
You got it. I'll take the expressway then.
Roughly how much will the fare be?
I'd say around $25, give or take.
That sounds reasonable. Thank you.
You're welcome. We're just a few blocks away now.
Great. I can see the museum sign from here.
Yep, we are arriving now.
Now, let's look at some key phrases from that dialogue. First, where are you headed today? Or where to? This is what drivers usually ask. You can answer with your destination, like, I'd like to go to the airport, please.
How long will it take to get there? Is a useful question to ask about the trip's duration. You can also ask, how far is it?
Hop in is a friendly, informal way for a driver to invite you into the car.
Also, roughly how much will the fare be? This helps you get an estimate of the cost. Roughly and approximately mean the same thing here.
And finally, we're arriving now is what the driver will say when you're at your destination. Now, let's practice. Repeat after me. Where are you headed? How long will it take? Hop in. Roughly, how much will the fare be? We're arriving now.
Great job. Now you try. Imagine you want to go to the main library and you need to ask the driver about the time and cost. Scene 2. Booking a ride through a ride-hailing app. In our second scene, I'll be a passenger who booked a ride through an app, and Jack will be the driver picking me up. Sound of a car pulling up. Phone notification. Hello, is this Luna?
Yes, it is. Are you my driver, Mark?
Yes, I'm Mark from GoFast. I'm here to pick you up.
Great. The app said you'd be in a silver sedan.
That's me. Sorry about the wait. The traffic was a bit backed up on the bridge.
That's okay. Am I heading to the waterfront park?
Yes, that's the destination I have in the app. Please get in.
Thank you. Let me just confirm the license plate. Yes, it matches.
Perfect. I'll start the trip now in the app.
Okay, I see it started on my end too.
The GPS is showing the best route. Is that okay with you?
Yes, that route is fine. I'm not in a rush.
Great. Let me know if you need me to adjust the temperature or anything during the ride.
Thank you. I will. Let's explain some important phrases from that conversation. First, are you my driver? This is how you confirm you're getting into the right car. You can also say, is this the GoFast for Luna?
I'm here to pick you up is what drivers say when they arrive.
A very important safety check is confirming the car. You can say, "Let me just confirm the license plate," and check that it matches the one in your app.
I'll start the trip now tells you the ride has officially begun. You should see this change in your app as well.
Finally, drivers might ask, "Is the route in the app okay with you?" You can say, "Yes, that's fine," or ask for a different route if you know a better one. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Are you my driver? I'm here to pick you up. Let me confirm the license plate.
I'll start the trip now.
Is this route okay with you?
Excellent. Now, imagine you've booked a ride. Practice confirming the driver's name and the car details. Scene 3. Conversation during the ride.
In our third scene, Jack and I are having a conversation during a taxi ride. Jack is the passenger and I'm the driver. So, how's your day going?
It's going well, thank you. A bit busy. How about you?
Can't complain. Are you visiting the city or do you live here?
I'm just visiting for a few days for a conference.
Oh, nice. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. I'm trying to see as much as I can. Curiously, any recommendations for a good place to eat around here?
Definitely. If you like seafood, there's an amazing place called the Harbor House, about 2 blocks from your destination.
That sounds perfect, thank you. It's a bit chilly in here. Could you please turn up the heat a little?
Of course. Is that better?
Yes, much better, thanks. Oh, and I just realized I'm out of cash. Could we make a quick stop at an ATM?
Sure, no problem. There's a bank on the next corner.
That would be great. I won't be long.
Take your time. I'll wait right here with the meter paused.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Let's look at some key phrases. How's your day going is a simple way to start a friendly conversation.
Drivers often make small talk. They might ask, "Are you visiting the city?" Or, "Are you here for business or pleasure?"
Could you please turn up the heat? Or could you turn on the AC? Use this to ask for comfort adjustments. AC is short for air conditioning.
And "Could you make a quick stop at" is how you ask for an unscheduled stop, like at an ATM, a coffee shop, or a pharmacy. Let's practice. Repeat after me. How's your day going? Are you visiting the city? Could you please turn up the heat? Could you make a quick stop at an ATM?
Great job. Now, imagine you're in a taxi. Practice making small talk and asking the driver to turn on the AC. In our final scene, Jack and I have arrived. I'll be the passenger and Jack will be the driver. Sound of the car stopping, meter beeping.
All right, we've arrived at your destination.
Oh, great, that was fast.
The total fare comes to $22.50.
Okay, do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Great. I'd like to pay by card, please.
Of course. Here is the machine. You can just tap or insert your card.
Okay, it's all set.
Thank you. Would you like a receipt?
No, that's okay. Thank you for the ride.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Now, let's explain some important phrases. "We've arrived at your destination" is how drivers announce your arrival.
The total fare comes to is how drivers tell you the cost. You can ask, "Does that include a tip?" if you're unsure.
"Do you accept credit cards" is an important question. You can also ask, "Can I pay by card?"
"I'd like to pay by card, please," clearly states your payment preference. You could also say, "I'll pay with cash."
And finally, "Thank you for the ride" is a polite way to end the conversation. Let's practice. Clearly, repeat after me. We've arrived at your destination. The total fare comes to $22.50. Do you accept credit cards? I'd like to pay by card, please. Thank you for the ride.
Excellent. Now imagine you've arrived. Practice asking about payment and thanking the driver.
Summary and listener challenge. Okay, let's quickly summarize what we've learned. In Scene 1, we learned phrases for hailing a taxi, like, "Where are you headed?" and "How long will it take?"
In Scene 2, we covered booking a ride through an app with phrases like, "Are you my driver?" and "Let me confirm the license plate."
In Scene 3, we learned phrases for conversation during the ride, including, "How's your day going?" and "Could you please turn up the heat?"
And in Scene 4, we practiced phrases for arriving, like, "We've arrived at your destination," and "Do you accept credit cards?" These phrases will help you feel much more confident.
Now it's time for our listener challenge. We want you to write a comment below using one of the phrases we learned today. For example, you could write, "Could you make a quick stop at a coffee shop?" Be creative. We'll read some of your answers in our next episode.
To wrap up, we've learned dozens of essential English phrases for taxis and ride-hailing.
Thank you for joining us today on Mr. Everyday English. We hope you found this episode helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Join us next time for another episode where we make learning English simple and fun. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.